Parallels and latitudes. These are the set of imaginary circles drawn on the surface of the globe. All the parallel circles from equator to poles are called parallel of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. Okay. So, the half of the earth that lies to the north of equator or above the equator is called northern hemisphere. Half of the earth that lies to the south of the equator or bottom of the equator is called southern hemisphere. Characteristics of latitude are complete circle except north and south poles which are a point. This is the character, this north and south pole axes are in a points. Clear? The length of the latitude decreases from equator towards the pole. You may see here they are decreasing, right. Latitude are at equal distance from one another, they do not touch or cut or intersect with one another, they do not cut. Now, measuring or numbering of latitude. Measuring of latitude starts from the equator which represent the 0 latitude. You may see here latitude. North pole is marked as a 90° north and south pole as a 90° south. Other parallels are marked from 0 to 90°. So, other are marked from 0 to 90° in the northern hemisphere, 0° to 90° north, and in the southern 0° to 90° south. The parallels that are to the north of equator are marked as a N, see here, and the south of equator are marked with the S. The distance between each parallel is 1 degree. There are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. Altogether, there are 181 latitudes including equator, which is the longest latitude line on globe or earth. Now, important parallels or latitudes. There are 7 important latitudes as equator, north pole, south pole. Okay, equator 0°, north pole 90°, south pole also 90° south, tropic of Cancer 23.5° north, Arctic Circle 66.5° north, then Tropic of Capricorn 23.5° south, then Antarctic Circle 66.5° south. Hello student, we already learned about in the previous topic regarding Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is the heat zones of the earth. Differently heat is received by different zones. With the help of this picture, we are going to understand different types of zones as you see over here, right? There are 3 types of zone on the earth: torrid heat zone, temperate zone and a frigid zone. As you may see in the picture, it is given torrid zone. It is also known as a heat zone, and second is a temperate zone, third is a frigid zone. Torrid zone, the midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes and between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Even this area receives the maximum heat throughout the year because there is a direct heat of the sun on the torrid zone, right? In this area they receive direct heat from the sun. And next is a temperate zone. midday sun never shines overhead on latitude and beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of the sun rays goes on the decreasing towards the pole. As we all know, the latitude lines are decreasing from equator to pole. So, same the sun rays are going slanting way towards the pole. So, the temperate zone is between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. So, this area also receives less sun heat. As we all know, we are talking about a heat, not about the light. These all zones are receiving the light, but they are not receiving the heat.